If your pride enjoys looking a little lackluster due to those annoying chips, scratches and swirl marks, don't worry, Turtle Wax is here to help. The Colour Magic range comes in a variety of colours to suit most cars. Our colour enhancing polish with a free chipstick cleans, protects and shines, and with the extra addition of colour, boosts and brightens your car's paintwork to its former glory. The first job is washing and drying your car before working chipstick into those damaged areas. On scratches deep enough to feel with your fingernail, apply chipstick across the scratch using light to medium pressure, while on chips, build up slowly using firmer pressure. Then remove excess wax with a soft, clean, lint-free cloth. Now you're ready to apply colour enhancing polish. Before use, give the bottle a good shake, then check the colour in an inconspicuous area. Inside the door is good. Then apply the wax polish evenly to one panel at a time with a soft, clean, lint-free cloth using overlapping circular motions. Allow it to dry to a haze and do its magic. And then using a clean microfiber cloth, buff off to a glossy high shine. For a deeper, more intense colour, use a second coat if desired. Part of the Colour Magic range, colour enhancing wax polish and chipstick are perfect for masking chips, scratches and swirl marks and will leave your car looking at its best.